Hi guys, Gerard, Shiftinglands, and man, we have a lot of ground to cover. Yes, it's all about these little building kits, these houses in a box, but I've made some really cool progress, and for this we have to shoot a couple of videos. So the first one is to show you a new design. Let me walk you through it, and a lot of content will follow concerning these houses because there's so much to tell you. So, okay, let's start. Okay, house in the box, new concept. I mean, hey, the concept is the same. Got some new houses. And actually, this is, there's nothing on the box, but the new house is in the box. And there is a lot to tell you, not only about the building kit itself, but about the development that surrounds it. So, okay. Now, the house is, I call it a basic house. And let me tell you about the design. This is well, a Tudor-like house, and as you can see, it has well, it has this shape. Well, that's obvious. So, very simple. So, this is in the box. Well, what's new? I mean, it's more of the same, right? Well, yes, it is. That one is in there. However, with this building kit, we have a few extensions. A few as in 2 extensions. So in the box is not only the house, but you also get the 2 extensions. Now extension number 1 is this little thingy. A little side room, maybe, not sure how to call it. And it fits here, or it fits, I think it fits here, not sure, might be, oh yeah, fits nice. Well, as you can imagine, oh, this is a nice one. Let's extend the door, it fits here. So by adding this little extension, you create a whole different look. Now, as I said, you get the house with 2 extensions. So the next extension is, I call it the shop extension, because you have the option to actually put in windows or close windows or open windows with kind of shutters, so it looks like a kind of shop to me. And again, you see it looks totally different. So you can put it together any way you want. Good. This is again a basic shape, and this basic shape now has a kind of Tudor-like, yeah, it looks like a Tudor house. But what if I make this house again and not make it a Tudor house, but something like this? So here we have exactly the same house with the 2 extensions, and I call this one the fantasy style house. Each of these kits come with the chimney, 3 dormer windows, the 2 extensions, well, as you see over here. Well, since the shape alters with these extensions, I now also can do something like this. Yes, again, we have the same house, but now in a more traditional or medieval setting. And with the 2 extensions placed in different positions, another position, the house looks a lot different. So, yeah. And to top it off, let's go one more time from this to this. The final version, the Victorian version. So, I think it is really fun to see 4 houses that are exactly the same. They build in exactly the same way. They have exactly the same features, extensions, etc. But by placing them on different sites and having all these different types of designs when it comes to the beam structure, side by side, it really looks very cool. So let's get this one. Let's put this one in front. Let's get rid of the wheel and just again so you see. Okay, so I'm not sure, but let's try. So here we have the 4 houses. I hope, Ruben, you can catch it all on camera. But here we have the 4 houses that makes up the new series. Yeah. It's all in this little box. Each house has its own box, and I'm working on production, so that's part 1. Now for those, we wrap up the video here, but for those who likes a challenge, I would like to invite you to go to the next video once it's up, because this is the normal house in a box series, but as of the next video we will present to you the low budget house series, which will start with these 4, where you do most of the work and I do virtually nothing. But I think it's interesting enough to take a look on how that works. So when it comes to not house in a box, but house in an envelope, see you in the next video. And for now, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little presentation. Ta-da! Ja. Oeh, leuk. Kijk, past precies.